Good evening and thanks for joining News 11 tonight. New at this hour, the Supreme Court says it will hear two high-profile cases involving border wall funding and the Remain in Mexico policy.
Yeah, News 11's Adonis Albright takes a look at how this could affect us locals.
Justice is announcing today that they will weigh in on two of the Trump administration's controversial policies when it comes to immigration. But how could these landmark decisions affect the lives of not only immigrants, but Border Patrol agents here in the desert Southwest? According to Sebastian Sanchez, a criminal justice attorney, the Trump administration's policy is at odds with itself when it comes to the Immigration and Nationality Act.
Legal problem that we have is that under the INA code, which is the Immigration Naturalization Act, which is our law, has two subsections that contradict or could be interpreted as they contradict each other. So what they will have to do is review the legislative intent when Congress enacted these two provisions.
Sanchez says, according to the law, migrants who claim asylum in the U.S. must be detained and kept in the country. But in January of last year, the Trump administration enacted the Remain in Mexico program, resulting in thousands of migrants essentially being in limbo as they wait out their asylum application when they would have otherwise been staying in the U.S. pending their case. Depending on the outcome, the Supreme Court will set the precedent for the asylum process for decades to come. This all comes as the Senate is set to confirm Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett in the coming days, which would result in a 6-3 conservative majority. But Sanchez believes even with a conservative majority on the bench, it's unlikely the Remain in Mexico policy will be upheld.
A discrepancy is very obvious, and it's a discrepancy not between the INA and a regulation. It's a discrepancy in INA itself.
A discrepancy Sanchez suggests could possibly help turn the tide for clients he's represented in the past as they seek citizenship in the U.S. We reached out to Border Patrol to see how this could affect their line of work, but we are still waiting to hear back. In the meantime, border wall construction as well as the Remain in Mexico policy will remain in effect until a final decision has been made. Reporting in Yuma, Adonis Albright, News 11.